Hi guys, what's up? This is our first video of unboxing fidget spinner. So let's get started. But before unboxing it, I would like to tell it's a fake fidget spinner, and you will not believe me. It's of just 180 rupees. So let's get started. It's a ceramic material which it is made up of, and a pad over here. As you can see, this is quite a bit soft. It's a 4 ball bearing fidget spinner. Let's try it. It's really it's very much soft and easy. It's an anti-stress toy which is useful for increasing concentration, focus, productivity, and much more. Thank you for watching.